deactivate the spin around all feature to set the model at the center of the scene. Get closer to the model by moving the mouse forward while keeping the left mouse button pressed. Get further away from the model by moving the mouse backwards while keeping the left mouse button pressed. Orbit around the model by moving the mouse while keeping the right mouse button pressed. Move the model within the scene by keeping the mouse scroll wheel button pressed. Deactivate the spin around all feature to set the view as a reference in the scene. Move the observation point by simply using the scroll wheel. Keep the right mouse button pressed and move the mouse forwards and backwards to look up and down within the scene. And move to the right or left to look in the right or left directions.